Okay, that's road name is Shadinata Road, and total two sides beside the road there are grass, full of grassland, and this area is Shanbali Abason. Is totally blank. Two or three building in a site, and this site is only Assunna Skill Development Institute. There are 50 Kata campus. This name 50 Kata campus. So today we are here to doing activities about learning purpose. First of all, we arrive here at 11 a.m. After that, our teachers organize us, and we were doing interview session. Some of the students were our interviewer, and some of was interviewee. So it was really good, and we had 15 minutes about this task. After this task, we went this field. There is a big field, sandy field, and this field we start our throwing ball activities. Throwing ball activities means we are 20 people, 14 people stand in a circle, round, and throw the ball with a question. And who catch the ball, he have to answer this question. Another also he throw a ball and throw a question within 10 seconds. So it's very enjoying. But few time later, there was a rain. There was raining. That's why we went our campus, and there are some flower. It's a beautiful flower, but it's look like dangerous. Full dangerous. Is plant get dangerous, but flower and some fruit are here. It's harvest. You can harvest that, but I don't know about this fruit. Maybe it's some for our help, healthy fruit, but I don't know about this fruit. It's very dangerous. Okay, so after we made a video, create content, then around 12:20 we start our argument, agreement, disagreement, and debate competition. It was very interesting. We have 3 or 4 topic, and right now they are arranging football tournament as a big park post, and Noman sir and Aminu sir also here. All are here to play football, inshallah. So inshallah, see you again.